Hi, good people. Welcome back to my channel. Today, Balloon Kids, the channel, will show you how to make a T-Rex with the balloon twist. So, let's preparing the balloon, 3 pieces. This is the first balloon. We start twist with the loop twisting. Okay, let's see. This is the loop twisting. We make it 2 pieces. Alright. And now, we make a small pin twist here. Okay, so everyone, please stay tuned and join us here in this video. During you enjoy the video, so please like the video and subscribe my channel. Alright, so we have this. So one a small loop twisting and another one is little bit bigger than the first loop twisting. Okay, the next we make a small bubble here. Let's see how many we make it. Okay, we make it 4 pieces, and after we get 4 pieces, we twist them together to be one part. Okay, so let's see again. We make here the small bubble here. Yeah, this is the small bubble, and that's for the head part. And now we take some size around 5. I think it will be 7 to 8 fingers, and continue again with the small pin twist. And for the rest of the balloon, we can bend and we get the shape for the tail of the T-Rex. Just leave like that and don't do anything with it. Okay, get ready your second balloon. The second balloon we start twisting with the small loop twisting. Okay, so after the loop twisting, we make the small pin twist. And now take some size around 4 fingers or 5 fingers bubble. Continue again with the small pin twist. Okay, let's see. So after the small pin twist, we twist with the finger bubble. And after that, we twist them together with the body of T-Rex. Now, with the second balloon, we twist 4 fingers bubble. Okay, make sure you lock the twisting. And now take some size again. We still make it for the body. Alright, let's see. And you can adjust for the position. Now we twist that again with the finger bobber. Continue with the small pins twist also. Alright everyone, so please support my channel by like this video. Don't leave the channel without give us your support. Like and subscribe my channel. Then after that, maybe you can share one of my video, or you can share this channel to your friends or maybe your family. That much helping for growing my channel. Alright everyone, so please again we back to the balloon. Alright, get ready your third balloon. Here we use the yellow color, and the third balloon we just tie direct into the pins twist, sorry, into the finger bobber. Okay, let's see, after we twist them, we tie them together, we make a small bubble. Okay, so after the small pins twist, we get the finger bubble, and again pins twist. And after that, this is for the last, that's loop twisting. And make it tidy, cutting the rest of the balloon. Alright everyone, this is so completely finished, and for to finishing we can mark for the eyes, and don't forget to adjust the position of the legs, or and maybe for the tail, so anything you can adjust with your balloon there. Alright, so let's see here, and for everyone, thank you very much for you had been support us. Don't forget to see the next video from Balloon Kids to channel, and please don't forget to support us, like this video and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's back to the balloon again. For finishing, we can mark for the eyes. So you just make a circle, and then you can bolt on the middle of the circle that you had done. Okay, so everyone, this is the T-Rex dinosaurs. I hope you enjoy, and thank you to join us. We'll see you again with the next video, and different from today. So thank you very much. We'll see you again. Bye bye.